I've got everything here I need in order to do some great experimenting with some Lego balloon cars. So we're going to start out by assembling our wheels. And then we'll move on to assembling our car. So we have two different base plates here so that we can make different sized cars. I'm going to start with the teeniest, tiniest car. We've got a great little car here, and all we're going to do is add our balloon to it. So this piece right here, we're going to thread the balloon through it, and that's just enough to hold it in place while the balloon lets all its air out. So we're going to blow that up. And let it go. Now, that's just the very basic of what a balloon car is. What I want you to do is all sorts of experimenting with all of these pieces that we gave you. Does it affect something differently if you make your balloon car really high? What happens if your balloon car is on a bigger base plate? We can even make it on an even bigger base plate by gluing these two base plates together. Does it matter if your balloon faces this direction, hanging off the car like this, or does it want to always be all the way up front? Okay, or does it want to be somewhere in the middle? How can you get your balloon car going the fastest, most reliably straight? Okay, so that's the goal here. And I want you to send us pictures and videos of your balloon car creations and what you are most proud of, because I think these are some cool little cars. We can do the same set of activities with a Duplo car and a 3D printed Duplo piece that will allow us to hold our balloon. So attach the 3D printed piece to your Duplo car. Pull the balloon through, blow it up. Pinch it closed. Set it on the floor. And it off. And so with the Duplo, we have the same experiments as with the Lego truck or the Lego car. We can put our balloon at a different place on it. We can use more Duplo bricks to modify our car and see how it works. We can send it up and down ramps. And I want you to experiment and see how you can get your car working the best.